stations G and H was at $2.40 per litre, which means that if you go over to station G or station H, and if you buy 1 litre of petrol, you will be expected to pay $2.40. Okay. Now, they said that station G gave a 10% discount, then station H gave a 5% discount. So which of them will be cheaper? So obviously it will be station G, right? Because station G gave a higher percentage of discount compared to station H. They follow on by saying for the month of August, station H, which is the 5% one, station H had a promotion where an additional $1 discount was given for every $12 spent on the petrol. Now, previously, the discount was based on the percentage, which is like a 10% discount, 5% discount. The next one, right, station H actually had a $1 discount for every $12 spent. So these are different levels of discount. Okay, so you see this in a shop, right? Like for example, you go over to like Guardian or Watson, then they say, oh, we have like 20% off our price right now. Or you go over to, maybe you go to Sasa, or you go to some other shop, and then they say, okay, for every $5 that you spend, we will give you $1 off, for example. So this is what they're talking about. They say that in August, Mr. Kang went over to station G, which is the 10% one, and paid for 38 liters of petrol. Now, they said, how much did Mr. Kang pay for his petrol at station G? The rest of it, right, is actually this. This is the rest of the question. Okay, so they said station G, 10% discount, station H, even though it's a lower discount, which is 5%, they still give an August promotion, which is additional $1 discount for every $12 spent. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this up because I need more space for my working. But it won't matter, right? Because this one is already here. And this one is already here. So it doesn't really matter. So just let me cover this up and I will do my working over here. Okay, I'm going to cover part B also. They said, how much did Mr. Kang pay for his petrol at station G? How much did Mr. Kang pay for his petrol? Okay, so I'm going to draw a model for station G. Now, station G said they give a 10% discount, right? So if I draw a long bar for station G, for 100% paid, he was given a 10% discount. So which means that he only paid 90% for the petrol. So he said that he paid for 38 liters of petrol. Let's find the amount of money that he should have paid before the discount. So since 1 liter is $2.40, 38 liters will be simple, right? 38 multiplied by $2.40 equals to, okay, throw it inside a calculator. Let's see what do we get. 38 multiplied by $2.40, this will be $91.20. Okay, throw this figure back inside. So this 100% is $91.20. Now I want to find a 90% because 10% discount, right? So 100% arrow $91.20. I want to find 90%. Okay, so same thing, take this one divided by this, multiply by this. 91.2 divided by 100 multiplied by 90, and that will give us 91.2 divided by 100 times 90, $82.08. Okay. See, a lot of students, right, they think that just because the figure seems a bit weird, like, oh, $82.88, does it seem a bit weird? Then if it's weird, then maybe my answer is wrong. Please do not think that way. There are more and more questions nowadays that the answers are slightly weirder than normal. Weirder in the sense that instead of just $82, it's $82.08. It is perfectly fine. Do not panic just because you get such answers. A lot of questions now, the answers are a little bit more unconventional. Okay, now next. We did this one already, right? Because this is how much Mr. Kang paid for his petrol at station G after 10% discount. Now, they said that, how much money would Mr. Kang save if he had gone to station H for the same amount of petrol in August? So, in order to do this, we have to figure out, what if Mr. Kang went over to station H? How much would he have paid? So, for Mr. Kang, right, if you go over the station H, I'm going to over B here. Without any discount, this is the amount of money that he will still have to pay. After a 5% discount, instead of paying 100%, okay, wait, let me change the resolution a bit. Okay, so this should be a bit clearer for you. Okay, so before discount, you have to pay $100. After discount of 5% over here, right, he will have to pay 95%, right? So I'm going to find out what is 95% first. So 95% would be, let's see, 95% multiplied by $91.20. That would be $86.64. So after discount, that's what he's supposed to pay. Then they said that had a promotion where an additional $1 discount was given for every $12 spent on petrol. So for every $12 spent on petrol, he's given a $1 discount. So we have to see how many $12 are there in $86.64. How many full $12? I'm going to take $86.64 divided by 12 to find out how many sets of 12 there are in this amount. So divided by 12, that will give me 7.22. Okay, we do not care about the 22, we care about the 7 because there are 7 sets of $12. Since there are 7 sets of $12 and for every $12 they gave $1 discount, which means that right now since he has 7 sets of $12, he is given $7 discount. Since he is given $7 discount, right, we just take this amount that he's supposed to pay, which is $86.64 minus $7, and that will give us $79.64. So this is the amount that he will have to pay at station H. Now if you compare, this one is at station G, right? This one is at station H. Which one is more? Okay, station G, right? So at station G he has to pay $82.08, but at station H he has to pay $79.64 instead. So they say how much would Mr. Kang save if he had gone to station H? So how much would he have saved? He would have saved this one minus this one. So $82.08 minus $79.64. So throw this figure in your calculator. Let's see what is the amount. 82.08 minus 79.64. That will give us $2.44. So this is the amount that he would have saved. Okay, so when I draw a model for this one, go through it very, very carefully and then read through the visual and then come up with the answers over here after you've step by step find out the logic and the rationale behind each of the statement. Alright, done.